Hi, I'm Jenny.
This is the authentic story of one girl who chose to live in a holler, in a unique desert town, and have my life taped. To find out what happens when I stop holding my tongue and start sharing my world. The real Pahrump.
Hey, I'm outside my post office. Where are you? What are you doing? You want to come with me on a little adventure? Through Water Rock? Some of the best things we have in town. I want to show you. But first, I gotta check my mail. That's a little glimpse of some of my favorite places in town. Did you know I have a P.O. box? I love mail. And a couple times a year, 3 or 4 times a year, I send mail back to you. Letters. Package. Now that I've checked my mail, let's go across the street and get some tacos. I'm gonna take you to one of my most favorite places in town. The absolute best Mexican food in all of Pahrump. Let's go. And it's hidden inside a tiny little gas station. Why? Because Pahrump's a super unique place and there's businesses tucked away everywhere. But don't let the facade fool you. Manuel and his tacos will win you over every single bite. You can smell it from here. So here I am, and this is Manuel, and he's the owner of Taco Fiesta, and this is my first interview. This is his first interview. So let's just roll. So I discovered you in 2019 at the Fall Festival.
When I come over here, I have a little bit of cart taco for tacos. We do that at home. We get to the church, and then they ask me, hey, you know how to make tacos? I say, yeah, let's do it. Okay, we do taco parties for the church, to help the church. We keep doing every year until they come. Somebody told me about a festival here in Pahrump. They say, hey, let's go get a space for the festival. We sell the tacos. I said, yeah, let's go. There was the first one. When you go there.
That was your first festival?
Yeah, the first festival.
I'll include my tiny video that I made back in 2019 right here. And so when did you move into this location?
In 2019.
Oh, right at the end of 2019.
Yeah.
That's why I tell people that even though you're located inside a Horizon market, that for Pahrump it makes sense because we have a lot of restaurants that we'll go later to my other favorite restaurant, Mai Tai, which is connected to a Horizon market. And you're open Monday through Saturday.
Monday to Saturday.
I take Sundays off. You can come at any time or any day, and you always get the same consistent food that's fresh.
I cook the meat, I prepare everything, and Rosa serve the food. I make sure the flavor is the same.
Yeah, which is why
even when she makes some food, I taste. We use for the.
You make that every day?
Every day. Every day, sometimes twice a day. But when I was there was the Hacienda Hotel Casino. I was there, I was running the Mexican kitchen. The owner of the casino, he likes me to cook for the family.
Oh.
So every time they come to eat, he say, hey, I want menu cook for us all the time. And I feel good. I say, oh, thank you. And I do my best right there, you know? I say, what? After that, I go to work in construction, 872 Labor Union, and I work there until I retire in 2018. When I come over here, I don't have no plans to open up a restaurant.
No.
I don't have no.
Oh, you're going to be retired, cooking for the church.
Yeah.
Then you realized, oh, wait a second, I'm a chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the rest is history.
Yeah.
And now we have Taco Fiesta.
And now it's Taco Fiesta, and I'm very happy. And you know what that made me happy? The people like it. And I do my best to see the customer happy.
It always just, you feel like my Hispanic cousin.
Yeah, my prima.
And everybody. It's not just me. Or people will come in and you're the same way. You're just like, you're like everybody's prima. Yeah, see?
If I like it, I'm sure the people like it.
I already heard that chili relleno is one of your favorites.
It's my favorite food, chili relleno.
Okay.
And it's the way my mom do it.
Ah.
She's, where I'm from, Mexico, it's a little town. Very San Pedro de Azafranes. The little town. They make the best chili rellenos. This kind. And I say, yeah, I gotta bring this over here. I like that. Like it. If I like it, they're gonna like it.
Well, it's true. I'm gonna start doing some videos about local Pahrump, and immediately this was my first thought. I was like, I need to share with the world Manuel and his family. His lovely wife is not here today.
No,
she might be hanging with the grandkids.
Yeah.
And what's your wife's name?
Marisol Ramirez. Come over here at 8:30. We start with breakfast burritos. We make chorizo burritos, bacon burritos, and ham burritos.
That's a family recipe?
Yeah.
Oh.
We use this on the meat, we use this on the chicken, we use this on the fish, on the shrimp. This is very special. And this is they give the different flavor than anywhere else. I am very happy with what I do, and I thank my family because they support me in everything I do. They support me, they help me. See what happens.
When you're in town in Pahrump, you need to come to Taco Fiesta. I will put the address down below. I will link down below Manuel's Facebook page. Now I'm going to order the taco special because my brother and the kids are at home waiting for me to bring them food. And that is his daughter running away. Yep, that's right. Me, that's me. That's you. You and me in Water Rock. Hi, welcome to the Real Water Rock. And tonight we have a concert. We have a recorder concert. Recorder concert with Colton. Recorder concert. I got quite a bit.
Yeah.
How did you feel? How do you
Good.
feel?
Very good.
You got to record it. You want to bust a little something out and record it for us real quick?
No.
I see it hanging there.
No.
I already had toot toot toot.
No.
Not your little toot toot toot.
I don't remember any of the songs that I used to play.
What? He doesn't remember any of the songs. He's lost his mind in a matter of 4 minutes. What are we going to do?
Get ice cream.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're going to go get ice cream. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have investigated. We don't have a lot of places to get ice cream in Pahrump. We don't have like a scoop ice cream place. We don't have a 31 flavors. But we think Seemore's is open till 8. So we're going to go to the world's tallest ice cream cone.
It is?
That's what it says.
Oh.
But we're going to go to Seemore's and get ice cream. So off to Seemore's we go. Okay, here we are. Seemore's. Yeah, that's what it says. That's what we're for. And the line is long. What are you going to get? We stand corrected. It's Seemore's world's tallest ice cream stand. And the line is long. You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
What are you going to get?
I'll just get the half and half. Half chocolate, half vanilla.
All right. Boysenberry vanilla waffle cone. Colton's patiently waiting. They're lying. Ice cream cone as tall as your head. Let's sit down over here so we can watch the sunset. Yeah, because we can sit and watch the sunset. Let's see. There you go. So we're gonna put the phone down because I can't eat ice cream and watch the sunset at the same time. You make me want to cook for people. You do, because I cook Greek food.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Ooh.
and there's no Greek food in town.
No.
There's no Greek food in town. And just recently, I was asking my brother, I'm like, wow, you know, I love my YouTube channel, I love what I'm doing, but part of me wants to start cooking for people. It just is nice, you know, and I make good Greek food. Like I joke that, like, you know, if a Greek restaurant were to open, I'd probably be really particular about it. But the same thing, family recipes from certain things, and they're just really good. Yeah,
Well,
but unless somebody wants to sponsor me opening a restaurant, I'm probably not getting a restaurant anytime soon.
But, yeah, you can do it.
Yeah.
You know, it's a place.
Sometime I'll make you domadas.
Domadas?
Domadas, you know domadas?
No.
Domadas are Greek. It's beef and lamb and rice and mint and herbs, and it's rolled up in a little grape leaf.
They're gonna be
Yeah, I
good.
make domadas for your family.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ciao!
Press that like button. Thanks, everybody.